Here are 6 passive income ideas to quit your job. If you are tired of trading your time for money and you dream of waking up to sales while you're sleeping, then this video is for you. I went from struggling to making ends meet to making more than $5,000 in just 1 week, selling digital products online. And guess what? Today, I'm giving you the blueprint to do exactly the same thing. By the end of this video, you're going to have 6 passive income ideas that you can start today so that you can build a 6-figure business online, even if you've never had experience. Plus, I'm going to show you how you can sell multiple offers so that you can make sales at every level of the buyer's journey. And if you stay to the end, I have a free gift for you that's going to help you get started. All right, now let's go. This video is going to teach you 6 passive income ideas that are guaranteed to sell in 2025. Today, I'm going to talk about how you can structure your business with low, mid, and high ticket offers, because you have to think about your customers are on different buyer's journey, and you need to know how to create these different digital products for your audience that they actually want to buy. So I'm giving you the exact blueprint that I use to make more than $5,000 in just 1 week. So get ready, you can start today even if you don't have an audience yet. Here's a little bit about who I am and why you should listen to me. Listen, I did not just wake up one day and start making money online. I invested over $50,000 in mentorship and digital marketing strategies to learn how to turn knowledge into profit. Now I am able to work from anywhere, making passive income through digital products, online courses, and marketing my agency without relying on a 9-to-5. And guess what? If I can do it, so can you. So let's get into it. Digital product idea number 1, ebooks. I love ebooks because they are so easy to create and to sell, and they position you as an expert in your field. So what is an ebook? It is a simple digital book that provides valuable knowledge or a solution to a specific problem. Here's why it sells so well: because people will always pay for information that helps them get results faster. How much can you make from an ebook? I say about maybe $17 to $47 per sale. Here's an example. If you sell an ebook for $27 and sell just 10 per day, that's $8,100 per month on autopilot. So here's a pro tip. Don't overcomplicate it. Use Canva or Google Docs and repurpose content from blog posts or post trainings or even an IG caption. You can start today brainstorming just one problem that your audience struggles with and turn it into a step-by-step ebook. It will be the solution that they need and are willing to pay for. Digital product idea number 2, online courses. Now, if you want to make higher profits, courses are where you need to be. Courses are where it's at. Trust me. So what exactly is a course? It's a structured step-by-step digital training that teaches a skill or it solves a problem. Now, why does it sell? Because people want results without trial and error. They'll pay you more money just for someone to give them a shortcut because they want to skip the learning curve. How much do you think they're willing to pay for a course? Well, I say anywhere between $97 to maybe $8,000 or more. I've seen people pay for it. I know I've paid more than $8,000 for a course before, so it's very possible. I say it really just depends on how valuable is your course. How big is the transformation that you're making for someone? The more life-changing, the more money they're willing to spend. So here's an example. If you price your course at $497 and you sell just 5 of them per month, that's $2,485 a month. So here's a pro tip. You want to use, I say, System.io or ClickFunnels 2.0 to host and sell your courses. I'm actually going to put a link in the description, but that's what I use to sell my digital products, and I also train my clients to do the same. I love System.io because it is free, but if you want to, I say, start an online business that's not a hobby, but you actually want to go full-fledged and turn this into a business that you can run from anywhere, and you know you want to scale, then ClickFunnels 2.0 is the best bet. Either way, I want you to get started today. You can write down 3 to 5 lessons that you could teach to your audience right now, and then turn them into a mini course. Digital product idea number 3, membership communities. Oh, I really love this communities because it's reoccurring income. Imagine getting paid every single month from the same customers on autopilot. What does this look like? Think of having a private community where people will pay you monthly for exclusive content, coaching, and training. So this is the reason why it sells so well, because people love ongoing support. They love accountability, and they love access to an expert, which, by the way, you are the expert. And I can show you how you actually know more than what you think you know. And I can show you how much you can make. You can actually make anywhere between $27 to $97 a month just by offering this valuable membership. So here's an example. If you charge $47 a month and you have 50 members, that's $2,350 a month of reoccurring revenue. Do you see what I'm talking about? And here's a pro tip. The System.io and the ClickFunnels 2.0 that I told you about also allows you to build a membership inside of the funnel software. I mean, I love how you don't have to go through all these different platforms. Everything is built in either one of those platforms. So either way, you can't lose. Again, you can get started today. Just think of one topic that your audience would pay to learn about every month. You can even start a free Facebook group if you don't want to use System.io or ClickFunnels 2.0, just so you can start building engagement first. But why wait? I'm always telling my clients to take action. You do not have to wait until everything is perfect for you to get started. The most important thing is for you to start, because that's actually how you learn. You will learn by doing. So right now, I want you to think of a topic that your audience just might pay you monthly for, right? Start a free Facebook group and build engagement right now, just to see if they're interested. And if they're interested, you can start that membership on either System.io or ClickFunnels 2.0. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna do it. I wanna know. Digital product number 4, templates and printables. People will pay for anything that saves them time and effort, like a template. So what are templates? Templates are pre-made resources that you can create on Canva, or maybe business planners, contracts, social media calendars, and so many other ideas. But what it sells is a done-for-you resource. It's basically an instant time saver. How much can you make? I say anywhere between $17 to $77 per sale. Here's an example. If you're selling a $27 template pack 10 times a day, that equals $8,100 a month on autopilot. You see where I'm going with this? I love that autopilot, because you can sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or your website. But honestly, I highly recommend your website, because you don't have to split the profits with that particular platform. You get to keep it to yourself. Now put a money bag in the comments if you like how that sounds. You can design your own templates using Canva for free, and then go ahead and sell it. It's that simple. Digital product idea number 5, paid webinars and workshops. Okay, this one, you might need a little bit more experience, but I'm gonna help you figure it out. Because once you set this up once, just once, you will get paid forever, over and over and over again. I just love how that sounds. What you're gonna do is teach live just once and get paid forever. The way that it works is that once you record it once, and I suggest maybe you record it on Zoom, that's what I do, and then sell the replays. Sell the replays, okay? If you're just getting started, you can make anywhere between $47 to $297 per seat. So here's an example. If you're selling your webinar for $97 and 100 people purchase to be in attendance, that's $9,700 that you made in just one setting, because you're selling to a group of people instead of just one person. I love webinars for that reason alone. You sell to a group instead of just one. The most important thing is that you get started as soon as possible. What I suggest you do is pick a pain point that your audience is facing, and then set up a 60-minute workshop that solves their problem. Write it out, make it plain, and then start selling. Here's digital product number 6. Create a digital planner or a journal. The reason why journals and planners are hot right now, especially in 2025, because hello, the new year just started, number 1. But also, people love the digital versions of a daily planner and a goal setting or something that sets goals and also creates affirmations and journals, because people want something that keeps them organized and also provides productivity tools, because we need to stay focused in 2025. We already have these goals and some people are already depleted, and it's already just February at this moment that you're watching this video. But a planner will help people stay on task, and they're gonna love you for it. Literally, they're waiting for you to create it, so you might as well get started. So here's how much you can make. I say anywhere between $17 to $57 per sale. So here's a pro tip. You can sell on Etsy or Shopify, but again, I love using the funnel softwares, ClickFunnels and 2.0. Again, you can sell everything you need inside of that software. System.io is free, ClickFunnels 2.0 is paid for, but there's a different strategy based on what your goals are. If you really want to go full time and make this your career so that you can leave your 9 to 5 and work for yourself, become your own boss, then ClickFunnels 2.0 is the way to go. But if you just want to get started right now and maybe see if it works for you, if this is something you want, and get started for free, then System.io is your best bet. And here's a pro tip. If you want to get started right now, you do not have to create a 365-day planner. You can create maybe a 3 to 5 page weekly planner on Canva for free right now. And then go ahead and put that on top of those funnel softwares that I told you about, and then start creating the content so that you can start making the sales. I've just given you 6 ideas that I think could work for anyone getting started in 2025 selling digital products online. But if you want to know which digital products will help you make passive income online in 2025, then you can book a free strategy call with me. I've opened enrollment for my Adorn Boss Business Academy, and this is how I'm going to be able to help walk you through step by step how to create, launch, and sell your first digital product online. What you can do is book a free strategy call. The link is in the description, and I'm also going to pin it in the comments, and I'm going to help you decide the best products that will work best for you, because I'm all about customization. And also, I want to let you know there's a free gift waiting for you in the description. So make sure you grab my Profitable Digital Products Guide. The link is in the description. This is a comprehensive step-by-step approach to creating, launching, and selling your digital products that generate $10,000 per month. And guess what? It's absolutely free. So you have nothing to lose. Go check it out in the description. Also, I want you to stick around for my next video. I'm breaking down step-by-step how I made $5,000 in just 7 days, even with a small channel. So I know you don't want to miss that. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because it's going to let you know when it's available, all of my upcoming videos. I'm literally giving you so much value, and I don't want you to miss out. This is your most profitable year yet, and I'm looking forward to you being able to quit your 9 to 5 the same way I did. So let's grow together. Let's go live in 2025. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.